Hi, welcome back. Aurum here. Today continue our playthrough in Honkai Star Rail version 4.2, So Love the Masses. Last time in Honkai Star Rail I didn't really do much because I talked a lot, and also the beginning there I did a bit of exploring, which is fruitless in a Venezia point of view. Anyway, so we arrive in this new area at Seafield City, yes, but not as Trailblazer crew, but instead as Evanesia and Yoguang. And we discover that the people in this place 100% has been injected with the surgery, the implanting. And so Evanesia gonna use her authority as arbiter of Phantasmoon game to see how much crime, if this is count as crime, the Fulvius did. Unless I think we'll have a plot twist that whatever tool this Avenesia use will deciding that Fulvius did not do any game breaking rule or something. We'll see. So that's all for the recap. I forgot to check the thing I wanna check again. I will do that maybe next episode. Hopefully I remember. Anyway, let's go in. So yeah, I wonder when we're gonna see when Evanesia and Yoguang meet with our crew, considering we also gonna go to this area. We currently are ongoing to this area. I think maybe this happened earlier, this whole thing with Evanesia and Yoguang happened a bit earlier than what we see. So basically this while they're in Seafold City, we in Gravia Academy or something. Anyway, that's all about the recap. Let's continue. Why is always this one? Step into the floating isle. Oh, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the floating isle. So she hide the instrument. It is the ruler blade. This is exactly. So yeah, her weapon, the ruler blade, is the one who measure the thing. Anyway, still the same subtitle, a superhero caught in moral dilemma. I wonder what this means. Who is the superhero? What the moral dilemma? Is this foreshadowing? We will see. Stream forth the gleam of old blade. Oops, my bad. I was just trying to quote a classic line from volume 3 of Fluffy Across the Blue. It's just an ordinary rural, isn't it? Of course it is. Of course it is. But I mean, she used this as a weapon, so I don't know. A ruler blade. We have scissor blade. We have a ruler blade now. I don't know. I don't think. Have there ever been an anime with a ruler blade before? Maybe. I think. I only seen scissor blade from Kill la Kill. If you know the name, you will understand. Anyway, let's teleport and use Evanesia for the game. Oh, see, look at that. While Trailblazer continue investigating. So this is happened at the same time as us exploring, investigating Fulvius in Gravia Academy. Her handsomeness? What? Uh-huh. So yeah, we appear here. These people doesn't realize we suddenly pop up out of existence. This NPC. No? Okay, fine. So let's go. I wanna check something. Am I 100% this? Yes. I surely hope the secret area, if there are any on those fragile, will count toward the percentage. Hello people, I'm coming home. Funny enough, oh, interesting design. This reminds me of something else from Hyogim. My saying is, funny enough, she put the floating island here in the city.
どうじ
Coincidence?
ゃなかなかの景色じゃろう。
I think
玉殿の景
not.
色に勝るのは自然の趣くらいかな。
まったく素直に褒められん病にでもかかっておるのか。
実はそうなの。
Oh, okay. So the area is hidden before. I see. But yeah, funny enough, the location is here. Why here? Because the story says so. Like out of our location, why didn't she put the thing in the courtyard? We don't know. Anyway, why here? Why in the city? Because the scenery, mountainous area. So who is her? The one who create this? I don't think it's Gravia. Though Gravia is much long before. Anyway, maybe it is. I don't know. Hello. Well, it's not golden. The tree is bluish. Interesting. It's look like a half moon. Or maybe it was supposed to be a moon, but then crack open and then become this. Yep, it's a ruler blade.
何かおかしなものでもあったか。
ごめんなさい。バカにしてるわけじゃないのよ。ただちょっと不思議に思えて。これが君が僭越者を裁定するための
Excuse me,
法規な
Yogwa.
のよね。
What do you
見
mean?
た目
A
は
literal
ただの
ruler.
定規のようだけど。
A ruler doesn't have a handle, a ribbon, and something that attached to it. This is very unique. Do you honestly, are you only seeing this part of the ruler instead of this one? The other half of the ruler is very unique. Don't you think, Yogwa?
この真実の霊視を甘く見るでない。刀の
Spirit
姿であった
branch of
150年前など
Pulau.
はほんの一振りで山すら両断した代物じゃぞ。
Wait a minute, 150 years ago. That's really. Wait a minute. You only having this ruler since 150 years ago, Arcadian calendar, which I assume the same as every other calendar, in a sense that 1 year is the same. Because we don't know, we don't have any. We use Amber Era, but does this planet has the same 1 year cycle? Because in real life, no, really, different planet have this. So we based a year on one revolution around star, depending on the planet you're on. So if 1 year in Plancardia, the same 1 year in Penacony, for example, we don't know. Let's assume this is human or Georgian calendar Earth, real life year. This is only one Amber Era. So she having this blade recently, from her point of view, who lived more than a millennia. So interesting. What she do before this ruler exists to punish or measure the Sublican who break the vow? I don't know.
比叡さん、私に言うだけなら構わないけれど。
Unless she's joking, of course.
あまりよそでそんな言い方をしてはダメよ。コズミックフォースのプレイヤーあたりが聞いたら、山を吹き飛ばす程度の戦力はあって当然くらい平気で言われるでしょうから。
Why you guys keep joking thing? Okay, sure.
まさか泉州の将軍殿が違法のお茶の間での流行にまで精通しておったとはの。
牧者たるもの、自らが身を置く環境、それを取り巻く風物を把握
Funny
す
you
るのは
say
当た
that,
り前のこと
Yogwang,
よ。
but you never visit this area before. Why only now you visit civil area? Atau you visit every single city in Palacardia just to check what's going on in this planet? But I guess not. You're only checking Dua Mansion City and by extension Dobbruk District. At least that's what I think. Anyway,
採血者としての藁はも似たようなものじゃな。道具は時代に応じて変えてい
who's
くのだ。
us? The multiple arbiter?
このご時世に制服姿の美少女が台頭して街を練り歩くというわけにもいかんじゃろ。
Your uniform doesn't really look like a school uniform if you're in Japan, but we are not in Japan, you know, unless it is the style of Benzai Tengoku, the original Palacardia before the thing. The boar, I mean, Cinder Edge.
きちん
Cinder
と
Earth
常
Edge.
識にのっとって
Cinder
行動
Earth. How do
で
you
き
say
る
that? Cinder Earth?
キエさんはいい子ね。
Okay.
それじゃ
These people
あ
keep,
なたの言
these
うとこ
two
ろの
keep
測量を
bantering
見せてもらおうかしら。
anyway. Yes, let's see how you measure this. Oh, interesting background. The symbol.
うむ。世界を測り、天の掟
It
を
is really
刻
a
まれし
spirit
領
brand
土
of true love.
真律の霊
The
視よ。
name of the tree, true love tree. I think.
今ここに虚実真偽の尺度を裁定し、現月のもとあらゆる掟破りの罪を計りたまえ。
And they said, nope, I don't see any transgression. But let's see. The happy smile.
これは何という
Symbol.
ことじゃ。
I knew it.
マンガンはあやつは聖越者ではないと。
I knew it. I knew it. There's someone behind Full Wish. So the one who wear the mask is not Full Wish, is not Daybreak Squadron. Both of them just hold the mask before, I think, and somehow it's count as supplicant from Asphalt perspective. I think Asphalt the one who said that Daybreak Squadron a supplicant. So who the real supplicant? Yes, that's what I've been thinking. Who backing up Full Wish? Unless, I mean, probably some abundant thing. Anyway, I don't know. Maybe morning actor, but I don't think. I don't know. Let's see.
聖越者でない以上ルール違反を裁断することはできん。
どういうことなの？マンガンが聖越者でないとしたら、なぜ公の場で幻月遊戯への参加を宣言したの？それに否定の
I knew
信
it.
頼があった八つ足のタコの仮面は
What I find it funny about this. Okay, so it is look like a tentacle. I know it is. I thought it was look like a tentacle. I said it. I called it Hydra mask before because you know Hydra squid. If you know Hydra, the real Hydra, not the David John. I mean, you know what I mean. That was I said the mask look like before. Anyway, what I'm saying is yes, there is someone behind. I hope this someone is an actual unique character look. It's not NPC design like Full Wish, obviously. That makes sense. I mean, Full Wish have unique design in a sense. Her hair and everything is unique, but still, her model is pretty much NPC. If you know what I mean. If you know NPC design, I can see it. I can feel it. The detail on the outfit is just unlike the character. You can see here. Even though so far every single character that are unique are playable one. I really hope in the future we will have a non-playable character that have detail on them. Maybe we're gonna see this supplicant behind the scene, whoever that is. Hopefully it is unique character design. Anyway, so but then again in the cutscene on the live stream we saw her holding the mask. Maybe it's the ability of this mask. Whoever the supplicant are, able to bestow the supplicant ability into the other people, what am I saying? What I'm saying is, just like the rest of the citizen here, that the Happy Smile Society, always also being controlled. Probably, I mean, obviously, right?
あの仮面は無数の聖越者によって共有されておる。今の海原市、いや二次元シティは
Okay, my guess is the mask is the thing that got implanted inside of every single people then.
どこもかしこも聖越者だらけじゃ。幻月遊戯が始まって以来、こんな状況は初めてじゃ。
This possibility, yes. The mask is actually shattered in billion pieces, and then its essence is used inside it. That's why I don't know. I still don't know who. So who's the real supplicant? Maybe there's no supplicant at all. I mean, the actual. Anyway, I don't know. But I believe there are.
誰かがそちらに。ああ、炭鉱さんでしたか。
And Blade.
一緒にいるのは。
And also Asphale.
ああ、炭鉱さん、戻ったのね。
Wait.
そしてそちらは。
I forgot. Last time when we see at the end of 3.4.1, do we see Asphale with them? Maybe, I don't remember. Oh, I think I saw, yes. Silverwolf say something to Asphale at the end. So this is what they mean.
ジン、あるいは先週の重罪人、王政と呼んだ方がいいかしら。自分から網にかかってくれるなんて、どうもありがとう。
玉殿の将軍、どうやらその眼界は未だ泉州の方に囚われているようだな。
Kaiki Desho.
俺が来たのは俺たちの共通の敵を殺すためだ。
What, Evanesia? Because abundant.
共通の敵？先週の敵は君よ。性格ハンターとなってから君は巨量の数律級から派遣された駐在士をことごとく殺した。主命の職人をそそのかして剣を修繕させ、彼らにも罪を負わせた。何より許しがたいのは、仲間と共謀して我が泉州玉殿獣王氏の禁域に押し入ったこと。
This is something new. I never heard
そ
this.
して鬼人飛輪を踏み荒らし、英霊たちの安眠を
Ashen
妨げ、
Steelwood.
死者の秘密を盗み出した
Valiant
ことよ。
hero. Yukue is technically your ship.
君にそれだけの罪を犯させる眼界はさぞ凄まじいものなのでしょうね。君と私にどんな共通の敵がいるというの？
ほう、僕が隠居してた間にオタクは随分やんちゃしてたらしいな。
Yes, Galaxy Ranger. You're technically the Han as well.
そんなやんちゃ坊主に育つと知ってたら、剣を求めて主命へ足を運んだあの時、
Wait, what?
踏んじばってでも中連宮から引っ張り
If
出
I
して
know
仲
you
間に
were
しておくんだって。
such a magnet for trouble back when you come to the Zooming. Yes, Zooming is known for its sword. This is where the one who becomes standard character, I forgot her name, come from. And the old man, Yao Quan or something, begging for a sword. I would have dragged you out of the forge. Wait, Asphale was there? Is the Han a Galaxy Ranger was in Zooming at some point?
こちらは
La Mancha.
お初にお目にかかる高校将軍。先週同盟にはかねてより随分世話になっててな。
These people are long-lived for some reason. I thought Lofu, I mean, Jiangsu native are the only one with, long-lived species because of the immortality curse. But no, multiple species is actually long-lived. Again, this is even pointing what I am afraid of, the whole inconsistency about the Marastrak, which somehow didn't. I mean, maybe Marastrak only happened. No, I don't think so. I remember. Okay, never mind. It's actually not Tingyun the one who said that. It was Pantalia pretending to be. Okay, so I don't know. I need to read again because it's not in the game. The description about Marastrak. Anyway, moving on.
名前を偽るなんて野暮なことはしないとも。
What
僕
is
の名
this
は
introduction?
ラマンチャだ。
Okay, that's how you said it. Lamancha, not Lamancha. Lamancha. What is
この
this?
地では公然と偽名を名乗っていただろう。
Yeah, Lamancha also a fake name, you mean?
巡回レンジャーの首領。意外な出会いがあったものね。
Ex-leader.
将軍、
I think
今はどう
that's
か
what Asfel
過
said
去の
at least.
因縁は脇に置いてもらえないだろうか。
And why is that?
話を聞いてほしい。この世界の存亡に関わる問題で、将軍の占いにあった最悪とも関係している。
I don't think it has anything to do with Evanesia. Maybe it is. I don't know.
先ほどお前が並べ立てた罪状につい
Yeah,
て
and why?
否定する
Blade,
つ
why
も
are
り
you
は
doing
ない
that stuff? Why this? It is because the script says so. Again, if the answer is the script says so, I don't know what to say. The script is, I don't know.
だが選手にとって本当に重要なのは俺のような罪人の生き死になどではないだろう。お前たちの本当の望みは
Answer me what?
幾度も妖精を呼び覚まし意味物を集め何度殺そうとも決して果てぬ大敵に血の代償を払わせることのはずだ。
You mean Yoshi?
北条の指令
Oh,
出
Shufu.
骨を再び沈め未来永劫をよみがえることのないようにする。
Okay, this is interesting because remember, Shufu technically got eaten by a Galaxy Ranger leader, which is Lamantia over there, using the shadow that we heard before. So, Emanator of Abundant. Is this the one who actually picking up? I thought we're gonna have something to do with destruction. I don't know. Remember that the thing is, Kafka and Xandar keep mentioning the four paths that will bring destruction to an end, and Abundant is not one of them. That's interesting. The one who brings the world into destruction is instead harmony, destruction, nihility, and I don't know the last one. I don't think it's Abundant either because we know Abundant. The fact that the last one didn't, I mean, they didn't told about the thing, which means it's the path that we didn't never heard about before. I don't know. So yeah, this whole thing with Abundant, I don't know. Maybe it is. Let's see.
俺は今まさにその機
Are
会
you
を
saying
お前の
Evanesia?
目の前に差し出しているのだ。
Unless,
将
are you talking about the thing inside the shadow of Asphil? I mean, La Mancha.
どうしても俺を裁き恨みを晴らしたいというのならそれもいいだろう。おとなしく天道
I don't think it's gonna happen, but sure.
審判を受けてやる。だが先ほども言った通り、俺がここへ来たのは救世主になるためではなく、過去を繰り返さないため。
And who is
そ
that?
して俺たちの共通の敵の企みを打ち砕くためだ。30年前の宝庫決戦がこの世界で繰り返されることを望まないなら、俺の言葉を信じること。
Okay, I don't remember. Battle of Hangshu. This is the thing that Yoguang told us before, right? It's not the one where Yukong. I think the Yukong one was 300 years ago, not 30 years ago. Unless this is the same one. The one where Yukong lost her friend thing. The one who, her kid currently in Yukong, under Yukong protection. That Yukong quest, I guess. I don't remember what quest is that. Is that Yukong companion quest? I don't remember. Is it the same battle? I don't remember. It's been a while. Fang Hu. Maybe I should check that name, Battle of Fang Hu, just in case it is the same one. I don't know. I want to know that. As much as I want to continue the story, I will check it for in a second. In a second. Not for long. It's not really long. I'm just gonna do a little bit of search of this Fang Hu Star Rail. I feel like this is important for some reason. Oh, never mind. Fang Hu is the name of the ship. Fang Hu is one of the 6 flagship by the... What is this? Web. It is led by Yuan Quan. Wait a minute, who is Yuan Quan? I thought Yuan Quan was the old man. It's not the old man, it's someone else. Okay, where we learn this information, let's check immediately to the reference. Oh, okay. It's from dialogue, subscription, from Globus Skyfaring Commission guide list, Ode of Rainbow Path. Okay, Fushuan character story. Fushuan, okay. So what is the Battle of Fang Hu? Is this the one that I think it is? There's not a single thing here mentioning about Yukong. So yeah, it's not the same battle. This is different. Anyway, moving on.
スマイル研究会が行っているハッピーオペには
Oh,
出所不明の出骨の細胞
okay,
が使わ
Suhu
れ
Cell,
ている
interesting. Wait, how did the Suhu Cell... I thought Suhu got absorbed by Asphalt. Did something still left behind? And who found this cell? Someone from Intelligentsia Guild, Elixir Seeker, or maybe Full Wish? Why Evanesia?
つまり手術を受けた人
Okay,
た
so
ち
it's not the
全員
mask.
だ
It's not the mask. But the supplicant probably have something to do with Suhu then.
すでに聖越者になっている。あとは眼力が集まるのを待つだけで血肉の意志
Oh,
は
I
目覚め
see.
すべての宿
That's
主を
what you
養
mean.
分に変えるだろう。
Is the supplicant Suhu itself? Then? But how? Anyway. So then why are you here?
八つ足の
Blade?
タコの仮面をかぶっているのは
Are you here just to meet with Yoguang?
バラバラにされながらこの地の人々の体に
Yeah, I
潜む
guess that's what you mean.
豊穣の指令
Suhu.
一体誰がこれほどおぞましいものを二層楽園に持ち込んだというの
Okay, I guess Blade come here just to talk with Yoguang. It has nothing to do with Evanesia. Whew, I thought it was Evanesia. And that person is... We're gonna see... Okay, never mind. Sparksy point of view. What? Are you Sparksy or Sparkle at the same time in the tavern?
事実無根誹謗中傷何言ってんのみんな自分の目で見てたんだからあんたが
Okay.
僭越者の仮面を奪われてボッコボコ
Now I'm
にされてる
confused.
とこをさ
the Sparksy we saw in the face, is this the same Sparksy or Sparkle? I guess it is Sparksy, I don't know anymore. And I also forgot to mention, are we the Trailblazer before we went to Evanesia point of view? Are we visiting Seafield City or the tavern? Now that I think about it, I remember. I think we're gonna search for Sunday and Sparksy. That's our goal. We're not gonna go to the Seafield yet. So, are we going here?
そうそうご丁寧に自分で配信までして全宇宙にその勇姿を見せたくてたまらなかったんだろ公開処刑配信ってやつ
Where is Sparkle then? Now that Sparksy still. Are you Sparksy or Sparkle or both? I don't know. Let's see. Enough thinking, let's doing.
奪われてだなんて人聞き悪い。聖越者同士で奪うも何もないでしょ。あれはさ、言うなれば戦術的
You talk like Sparksy,
戦
at
術で
least.
ありながら芸術でもあったんだよ。
Sorry.
そんなこともわかんなかったな。やはーい。これは名高き
Oh, see, so this is what happened.
ちゃんちゃん。どうしたの？イバナちゃんのいたずらが恋しくなっちゃった？
My question is, if we're able to call Sparksy, why did we? Anyway, is this Sparksy? The one we saw in the face. Are you the one who are in the face, or I don't know.
マンガンテレビから聖越者討論会への招待が来てたでしょ。確かに来てたけど、ねえ聞いてよ。今の火花って配信ルームを
Okay, Heather, huh?
聖越者の仮面もアンチの親玉にぶんどられるわで散々なんだよ。だからいくら討論会に出たくてもちょっと無理かなって思ってたんだ。
Where is Sparkle? The whole thing with Sparksy is supposed to be related to Sparkle. So now Sparksy is just her own thing? Then I thought the point of 4.0 about the whole thing with Sparksy and Sparkle was supposed to be, I don't know, until we see Sparkle, I cannot say anything anymore about this concern.
こうして君から電話をくれたってことは、アンチにもまだ少しは良心が残ってたってことかな。火花に交渉のチャンスをくれる気になったな。まずはこっちの質問に答えてもらうよ。マンガンって本当に仮面の愚者なの？
I don't think so, but let's see.
どうだろう。別に愚者がみんなパブに名前と
I
住所を
guess.
登録してるわけじゃないし。
It's funny that instead of we talk to the one we assume will answer, like for example Giovanni, Sampo, or Sparkle, we instead talk to Sparksy simply because she a supplicant. I don't know. I feel like of all character, the other Masful probably more understand the situation. I mean, they live longer than Sparksy at least, if you know what I mean. Unless Sparksy have every single memory of Sparkle up until she become a thing, which I don't know. Let's see.
でも彼女の配信を見て火花はきっと愚者だって思ったかな。理由は同類の勘とそれから彼女のキャッチコピーだって、癒しのスマイル楽園に安らぎをだよ。クスクスこんなにイカれてるんだもん。
クスクス
愚者に決まってるよね。仮面の愚者って大抵は騒々しいし、ほらほらこれからやらかしますよって雰囲気がダダ漏れになるものなんだ。でもマンガンは例外。彼女の狂気はね、冷静でスマートなの。国にも匹敵するほどの財産を持ち、一般人の年収の10倍はしそうなオーダーメイドの服を着こなして毎日のように社会福祉を訴える実業家のお姉さん。それがまさか仮面の愚者だなんて誰も思わないでしょ。まさに完璧な偽装ってわけ。
I just realized something. Since we talked about Suhu last time and then suddenly the mask, Remember when she said that I talking about this full wish Mangan. She said that she heard the voice of the Master of Illusion Aha during that incident in the classroom where the hell of that there. I think it was confirmed at the point that the one she heard is not Aha, but I thought it was Yoshi, so I guess it's Abundant Emanator of Suhu. Which means there's a chance that Herald of Death at the time have Suhu cell or body part or something with them. And somehow, I still don't know. Yeah, I think we're gonna learn more about the Herald of Death because the whole incident is still a mystery in detail, at least for now. Anyway. Why are you asking? Okay, sure. Are you sure she must fall? That's not. I don't think so, but.
裏切りの方なんだけどね。交渉成立。任せてよ。何か分かったら
And funny thing is, isn't Sparky supposed to be with Aberration defending, but she's here. And this happened on the same day after we defeat Daybreak Squadron, which is, when we saw Spark. This is still in the same day as the fest, I think. Yes, this is directly after. The whole scene from the beginning when we entered the fest. In fact, how many days has been in Palacardia? I wonder. The timeline kind of confusing because we don't do any rest. It's always been moving on to the next scene, the next scene, the next scene. So does everything happen in the same day? I don't know. Or as we know of, the area, the Dimension City always sunny. So I guess it's been multiple days, but I don't know. Anyway, moving on. Exactly. That's what I think. Why didn't ask someone who more knowledgeable instead of Sparksy? I don't know. We have technically we have a contact of Giovanni from the event, unless it's not canon event. Okay, so that's why we the full insight. Sparksy, huh? Sparksy. It's funny we have used them as a playable, even though we not really using them. Sparksy is not a DPS though. Should put the Hereta instead. This feel useless. I don't think we're gonna do a combat. Yay, Sparksy. Are you the one who told us before on the phone before we faced the big squadron? And are you also the one who are in the Star Rail Fest, which technically still happen if this is the same day still. If we spoke in Lothar, head to the storage area. So Giovanni always in storage area. That's the last time we saw him. Stub my toe at the last event, so I'm taking a break. Sparks head, please don't come out at world end. Looking for me, Sparksicle. Lol. So yeah, I now confirm that this summary written by different people. This time it's Sparksy. What's the name of your thing? The full insight. So Sparksy, you still exist. What happened with Sparkle? Anyway. Giovanni Giorgio.
花いえ火花さん、つい先日私の目の前で花火さんの持ち物をかすめ取っていったばかりのはずでしょ。それでどうし
Again,
て久しぶりだなんて言うんです？
I guess I find it interesting about this whole interaction. So is Sparksy now permanent? It's nothing. It's not a mask. It's not the sparkle thing. It's not. I don't know. I thought the whole point with Sparkle is that she want to eliminate Sparksy, but I don't know. Sparkle, Sparksy, sure, both of them now exist. I don't know what happened with Sparkle. Why I keep saying this? I said I'm gonna wait until we saw Sparkle and then explain, and she explained herself what's going on. Anyway, let's continue.
お願いですから今度こそ正直に教えてください。今回はどなたのコレクションを盗むおつもりですか？
Only Sparkle because Sparksy knew Sparkle.
花火とは世紀の大和解をしたんだし、
Oh,
過去のことなんて水に流しちゃって
why is the name reconciliation? So you just made up with Sparkle? Okay, sure. So what's going on here? What happened with I just what exists now?
今回は真面目な相談があってきたな。盗んだりしないから安心して。
Hmm.
ほう、それではご用件を伺いましょうか。あの火花さんをそれほど真面目にさせるとは、きっとよほど面白いお話なのでしょう。
漫画って人について教えてほしいな。ほら、テレビで僭越者全員に招待を送ったあのメディア界の大物。あの人って本当に火花たちの仲間なの？だったらどうして一度もパブで見かけたことがないのかな？
彼女のことはもちろん存じ上げていますが、確かに私もパブでお見かけしたことはありませんね。もしもマンガンさん
It's
が
not
本当に愚者の一員
Is
だとすれば、
gonna be a revelation that she is actually a famous
噂
fool?
の一つも聞こえてこないという
Because I don't think so.
おかしな
What the
話
point
で
of
す。
this interaction? I don't know. We'll see.
他
Hopefully
の
it's something
エリア
useful.
のトーク簿にも彼女の名前はありませんね。何も預けたことがないか、もしくは偽名でここを利用していた。
Interesting idea there.
困った
Fake
な。
name.
顔の広いジョバンニちゃんでもあの人について何にもわかんないなんて。
The way she says things.
やめて
Nante.
ください。そんな手には乗りませんよ。
Okay, let's
です
see.
が、一つ考えがあります。愚者ならば誰もが一度はパブに足を運んだことがあるはず。もしもマンガンさんが本当に愚者だとするなら、彼女がここを訪れたのはきっと
You mean
心をえぐられるよ
15
う
years
な
ago?
悲劇の後だったのではないでしょうか。
それって15年前の血塗られた遊戯、裏若き少女の心を深くえぐったあの悲劇のこと？なるほど。つまり病院に行って彼女のカルテを探してみるべきかもってことだね。
Huh? I don't know. I still don't feel like
速やかに
we're going anywhere with this.
食事量が多すぎて当院は
Oh, speaking of
退院として
hospital,
出ます。よろしくお願いします。
are you gonna see her? The glasses NPC. Okay, the same thing. Description.
整形外科のハートマン先生。
Are you? Okay, never mind. I don't see anyone.
至急院長室までお越しください。
This is the room where Sparkle do the thing. Oh, never mind. This different, a bit different. This was supposed to be. I guess it's only one time only. Let's investigate. There are multiple things. Go to the hospital and look for medical record. Let's start with this one on the table for some reason. What? Okay, I'm sorry, but here's from Arcadia. Obviously, should we go to the cabinet? But let's see over here. I don't think it's here. Pasien yang Lacardia. Why? Okay, never mind. I thought it was something that changed the description. Unless we never found anything here. Happiness.
Mangam, mangam to. Ah, yappari atta.
What? How in the textbook in the beginning of Fulvis, female, Lacardia, humanoid, category Atahatapian subspecies. Okay. Cranial neurology department. What? It's funny, humanoid. So I guess humanoid is a thing. A term. Patient experienced significant psychological trauma. The patient developed an unknown disorder in a language center. This is the actual medical record in the office hospital, not in this area. It just happened to be able to access through this fiction World End hospital. Anyway, specific symptoms include inability to describe negative feedback received by the self and inability to actively express the pain perceived by self. Meanwhile, the patient exhibits hallucinatory symptoms. What the? Past medical record history. The patient is on the hold with no relevant medical history or family history of hereditary disease. Patient previously suffered from post-traumatic stress disorder. Examination report. Electroencephalogram. Cerebral whole structural imaging. Modeling. Analysis indicate no foreign body or visible damage. Okay. Following the localization with power detection, low frequency undetectable imagery appear in the interior cingulate cortex. Test for the patient can get other. Simultaneously as the patient verbalize this description, the empathic subject experience intense hallucination and loss of consciousness. For now, we decided that the patient is recognized as happiness syntax. Prescription. Okay.
幸福文法ってどんな病気？
Yeah, who doctor have
下手
anyway?
なが読んでもよくわかんないかも。やっぱりお医者さんに聞いてみた方がいいかな。
It's gonna be her, right?
もしもーし、お医者さん、お医者さんはいらっしゃいませんか？
My question is this hospital legit? It's actually a hospital in the World End Tavern, not a hospital in Palacardia. Like, why did Pulvis enter this area? I assume this record is somehow duplicated here. I don't know. The whole thing is still I don't understand the whole World End. I thought it is unique location that only specific people can enter, not just anyone. So how did Fulvis have a record inside this hospital, which is inside World End Tavern? Unless, again, duplicate copy of the same report which happen to be exist here. I don't know.
誰かと思えば
Yes, that's your name, Zongshan. I forgot your
火
name.
花大会の患者第0号さん。まだ超常現象管理局に
Exactly. I
使用
thought
されずにいたとは
that's the point. The aberration event at the
神
end.
様も随分甘いようですね。
I guess Sparkle just made a deal with Sparksy and then the other way around. Sparksy made a deal with Sparkle so that they just coexist or something.
あなたのせいで急いで二層楽園を離れなくてはいけなくなるところでした。宇宙船のチケットまで取ったんですからね。それで今日はどこが悪くてここの救急に？
今日は火花のことじゃなくて、昔ここへ来た患者について聞きに来たな。ほら、このカルテの患者なんだけど、見覚えないかな？
いや、そもそもあなたまさか本気で私を医者だと信じてるわけじゃないでしょうね。まあそれならそれでいいですけど、その患者さんなら確かに覚
Wait,
えて
as well,
ます
it's
よ。
here?
それ
How
彼
did
女はどんな愚者だ
it
っ
is
た
a
の？
is she a fool?
この病院の歴史を振り返れば、ここがひっくり返るような騒ぎを起こした
What?
人は
She
そう
is
珍
a
しいわ
fool?
けじゃありませんけど、
Holy. The whole
初め
voice
て
thing is
ここへ来る
real?
なり、天井を吹き飛ばした
Then
の
why
は
did
彼女
Okay,
くらいの
enough.
ものでしょう。
I thought we have more mystery. I guess it's
彼女
straightforward
って一
story.
体何をやらかしたの？
I thought we have some big plot
当
twist
時
or
まだ
something.
16歳の少女だった彼女は、
Uh-huh.
驚くべきことに手にしたばかりの愚者の
Why
仮
did
面を
she? Why did
粉々
Aha
に砕こうとしたんです。
after the
愚者
game?
の仮面って壊そうと思って壊せるものだっけ？
もちろん不可能ですよ。仮面を痛めつけてみせることについては、あなたの方が経験豊富では？
変なこと言わないでよ。イバナは自分の仮面を壊そうとするほどバカじゃないってば。ただ必要なら思い切ってその仮面を置き去りにする。
Where is your mask anyway, Hibana? I don't see it.
何にせよ、仮面は愚者自身の一部です。当人が消滅しない限り、仮面も壊れることはありません。あの時、面白半分に手を貸した愚者もいましたが、彼らが手を尽くしてようやくできたことといえば、仮面に小さな亀裂を入れるだけ。そして仮面に亀裂が入った瞬間にほとばしった力が、この病院の壁にも一本の亀裂を刻み込んだわけです。
And where is that? I don't
列
see
車
it.
張りで役立たずな愚者たちを
Oh, okay.
壁から引っぺがすのに数日、壁の塗り直しには半月もかかりまし
We
たよ。
can rewind the room.
部屋、ちょっと巻き戻って。
This hospital is interesting. So yeah, it's confirmed. I guess the whole record because
これがその亀裂
she
なんだ。
is here before.
それでしょう先生、この中には何があるの？
Wait a minute. The crack? Is this the area we're gonna see? Is this the thing? The land of the sneering god.
さて、それは何とも。中へ入ってみようとした愚
Let's
者も
see.
い
I
ま
wanna
し
see
た
the
が、
crack.
それを試みた
How
誰
did
もが
I wanna see first to confirm
狂
it?
ってしまったので。
I need to see the crack.
狂った？
Never mind. It's the normal teleporting.
ええ、ぶつぶつ独り言をつぶやくばかりなのに、
Happy?
なぜかとにかく幸せそうでした。彼らが何を見たのか誰も知りませんし、
Okay, this become more interesting now. So how did
そんな
you
わけでここは塞がれていたんですよ。さあ、忠告はしましたからね。
why the mask
入るのは勝手
crack
ですが、
turning
中でどんな危
into
険な目にあっても
a
私のせいにし
teleportation
ない
to
でください
somewhere
よ。
we never seen before? Are you saying every single mask full mask able to do this? If they, you know, shutter a tiny bit crack? I don't know. This whole thing is, I feel like they just here's the thing and then this is how do it. Don't question how, just accept the truth. I mean not the truth, the thing. I don't know. Let's see.
危険？イバナちゃんの甘
Why
い
would
可愛さより
I
危険
don't
なものなんて
understand.
この世にあるはずないよね。
This is just making more question like if any other mask do the exact same thing, does the crack leading to the same location or different location? Anyway, you know what I mean, right? Because if one mask able to do this, then every single other mask should able to do this as well, unless this mask is different. Currently, we don't know about that yet.
火花のみんな、よーく見てて。今から火花ちゃんがこの謎めいた亀裂の探索にみんなを連れてってあげるから。高評価フォローよろしくね。それじゃあ。
Saja. Okay. If I go in, I am afraid it will be a long video. So again, the whole thing with a mask. This is not a supplicant mask. This is different. This is a full mask. If this is the thing that full mask able to do, what happened with every other? How many mask full are there? And if every one of them able to do this, then Unless again I said the full wish must just different. I don't know. The whole thing with her still confusing. But yeah, so I'll continue this next video because again,
用でも
I
あ
don't
る
know.
のないなら帰るから
They keep adding new information that I feel like adding more question. If again the whole mass with the whole mass full mass, that's a new thing we learn, and isn't that supposed to be something we're gonna see more often in the future when we're dealing with mass full? What happened if, for example, Sampo mass got hit and then it's opened the portal as well? Is that again? Maybe it's unique to full wish. If that's the case, then that's fine. But if every single mass, no, but they need to explain why her mass different. If that's the case, if it's the same as the other mass full, then why no one seen that before, like a crack on other mass and then leading to this dimension, whatever fissure it is. Anyway, it is all for now. Until next time, bye.